So we are doing like October, November 23, paper 23. Okay. This is question number 3. It's of limited company. And what they've asked you to prepare is a share capital account, share premium account, and retained earnings account. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So you have 3 accounts. One is share capital, one is share premium, and one is retained earnings. And all accounts have what balance? Can you tell me? They will always
All
have credit balance. Share capital has 60,000 balance. Share premium has 21,800. And retained earnings is 32,600. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now, when you have to make accounts, what comes into picture is your journal entry. Okay, so you always remember that whenever you are creating capital or whenever you are issuing right shares, bonus shares, in all the cases, share capital will always be credit. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Come on, read the first adjustment of what they are telling you.
1st December 2022 made a rights issue of 1 ordinary share for every 5 shares held at a premium of $0.20. The issue was fully subscribed.
So you made right issue, one ordinary share for every 5 held. So how many was held with you?
So 60,000 divided by 0.50 to 1 upon 5.
First, you tell me how many shares were held with you, darling.
120,000.
So you had 1,20,000 shares. So your right issue was 1 upon 5 into 1,20,000.
24,000.
So 24,000 shares was your right issue.
Yeah.
At what price?
It'll be 0.50 at share capital and 0.20 at share premium.
Okay. So this was issued share capital at a premium of 0.20. So share capital would be 0.50 and share premium would be 0.20. Are you with me? So share capital will increase by how much?
Share capital would increase by 12,000.
Okay. And share premium would increase by
4,800.
24,000 into 0.20, 4,800. Okay. What would be the journal entry? Share capital would be credit.
Yeah. And
Share
bank.
premium would be credit. And
Yeah.
you're
And
receiving the money, bank would be debit. They've
then,
not asked you to prepare bank account, right?
no.
So share capital would be credit with the face value of shares. Share premium would be credit. You've received this money.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Right issue done? Let's go to the next one. Paid final dividend 4% on all the shares issued at 1st September 2022. That means you're paying final dividend, right?
Yeah.
How much final dividend are you paying?
4%.
4%. 4% of what?
60,000.
Yes. Because they're saying that they want it on the issue of 1st September. So 4% of 60,000 is how much?
2,400.
If you're paying dividend, you pay dividend out of where?
The retained earnings.
You pay dividend out of retained earnings.
Yeah.
Okay. So retained earnings would be
Debited.
debited and bank credit.
Yeah.
Retained
2000.
earnings, that means you're going to reduce the retained earnings, 2,400 and bank.
Hmm.
Are you with me?
Yeah. So Miss, for dividend, we don't have to do that.
Now your first Jan is done, right?
Hmm.
Let's do the next one. 1st April. Rate.
Made a
Rate
bonus issue of 3 ordinary shares for every 8 shares held at that date. The
3
directors
ordinary shares for every 8.
Hmm.
For every 8 held at that date. So how many was held?
60,000 plus 12,000.
No, 120,000 is your
Face value like that.
original. Okay, 120,000 shares is your original. If you don't understand, your balance begin down plus this is how much? 72,000.
And then you have to divide it by 0.50.
72,000 divided by 0.5.
So 144,000.
So 1,44,000 shares were held on that date.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
So you're going to give bonus shares. How much?
We'll multiply by
144,000 into 3 divided by 8.
it. Yeah.
So your bonus issue is of 54,000 shares
54,000.
into the face value.
0.50.
So it
27,000.
becomes 27,000. You're giving the shares free
Yeah.
and you have to make reserves in the most flexible form.
So
That
share
means
premium doesn't have,
first share capital will increase
yeah, by 27,000. So miss, in
27,000.
bonus, you have to minus, but then in share capital, you don't.
Capital will increase.
Sorry, in rights, you don't have to, and then in bonus, you have to.
In rights, you're receiving money, right?
Yeah.
So your capital is increasing 27,000. There is no doubt in it.
Yeah.
But in money is not coming in.
Okay.
Money is not coming in. That means you're going to use your reserves.
Hmm.
Reserves are maintained in the most flexible form.
Hmm.
That means you will use share premium first, retain earnings later.
Yeah.
So how much of share premium you have? It's 21,800 plus 4,800. 26,600. You don't have all of it, right?
Yeah.
So you will use full 26,600.
Hmm.
So share premium will be debited by 26,600.
Right,
Share
bank.
premium is debited by 26,600. I will write the name of opposite account. Share capital. Balance is how much? 400.
400, yeah. So 400
400 you
will
will use
be
from retained earnings.
earnings.
And you write share capital.
Hmm.
In the share capital on the credit side, I will write
Yeah.
the names of the opposite account.
Hmm. So share premium and the retail earning.
Share premium and retained earnings. Yes.
Yeah.
Now 1st June. What did you do?
Pay an interim dividend of 0.02 per ordinary share on all shares in issue at that date.
So 0.02 ordinary share. What is the shares and issue of, on that date? Do the total of all this.
Yeah.
60,000 plus 12,000.
99,000.
Sorry, 99,000. 99,000 divided by 0.5. So you will get the number of shares on that date.
1,98,000
So what is interim dividend?
into 0.02.
So how much interim
3960.
dividend comes?
3960.
3960. From where will you pay?
or retained earnings
So retained earnings would be
on the debit side you will
debited,
put.
you will reduce it.
Mm,
So what will you write? Retained earnings debit, money is going out. So bank credit. Yeah,
Yeah,
profit for the year.
16,500. So
What do
you
you do for profit?
will put it on the credit side of
Profit
retained.
increases the retained earnings, right?
Yeah.
So profit increases the retained earnings. So on the credit side of retained earnings,
Profit for the year.
16,500. This is from where? Statement of profit or loss. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Then what will I do?
Will balance all of them.
You close all the accounts. Share capital, balance close down, and it would be balance begin down. Share premium, I think it's settling. No balance.
Share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about retained earnings?
You'll have to do balance begin down and close down.
The credit side is more.
Yeah, the credit side is more.
What is the total of the credit?
49,100.
What is the balance?
42,340.
42,340.
Hmm.
So balance close down and balance
Begin
begin
down.
down. Yeah.
Yeah.
With this, we complete. No, there is still another part. State 3 disadvantages of you introducing a computerized accounting system. 3 disadvantages.
Can be expensive to set up,
Yeah.
then expensive staff training, then there can be
Expenses staff training is same, right? Your extra expenses for staff training.
extra expenses.
What else?
Then it like viruses and hacking. Yeah.
Virus hacking. Okay. 3 ways in which security of data in a computerized accounting system can be assured.
Oh, this I saw from the MS, so I know the answer.
So, if you ways in which you can secure your data, your computerized accounting statement,
So the first one is unique password protection.
a strong password,
Yeah. And second one is by using VPN
and
and data encryption.
data encryption. Okay, so with this, we complete question number 3 of October, November 23,
Hmm.
paper 23. It's for 15 marks.
Hmm.
It's very easy sum.
Yeah.